Why is financing important to Tri-County Metals? We know we offer a great product that will allow our customers to have a very long-lasting, energy-efficient roof, a lifetime roof. The cost of a new roof can still prove to be a challenge for many homeowners. So it was important for Tri-County Metals to establish the TCM HomeownersEdge financing program so homeowners can help get their project started off right, the right way. Why is this topic important to the customer? Statistically, many homeowners simply can't easily pay for a large expenditure such as a new roof. And if the roof is damaged or leaking, delaying addressing that repair could have an impact on dramatically increasing the project cost. In fact, did you know that 1/3 of home improvement project customers over the past year regret not spending more on their project? And this can happen to all of us. Sometimes we have budgetary constraints and we aren't able to get exactly what we want. And this can be a source of regret for customers. Financing a home improvement project like a new metal roof is an easy way to get the project completed sooner to avoid costly damage and to help you afford a more comprehensive metal roofing package that will include all of the components you want. Components that could even extend the warranty and help protect your home and family for a lifetime. Did you know that 50% of all home improvement projects are financed? There are many customers out there, just like you, who have found success by way of financing their project. Did you know 80% of homeowners who use payment options do so for reasons other than cash flow? Instead, they value the added convenience and flexibility. Think about the last time you purchased a car. Statistics say you probably financed that purchase. If you had to purchase a car with cash at that time instead of financing, you would probably have a much less quality car. The same is true of any large purchase, such as a new roof for your home. Oftentimes, consumers can only afford the base project, but through financing, they are able to afford the project they really want. Did you know that 43.8% is the average project size increase when financing was used? When we look at financing and covering a basic scenario, a basic metal roofing package would cost about $4,000. For this example, we are using a 22 or 23 square foot roof, which would translate to about a house with 1,800 square feet of living space. When using the low-interest 7-year loan, this would come out to $60.35 per month. Now let's look at saving money while giving the home some significant energy savings. Did you know that per research done at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, when you use a metal roof panel coated with an Energy Star energy-saving color system, the monetized energy savings for your home is about $42 per month. Pretty exciting. So let's take that same 1,800 square foot home and add a more comprehensive roof package with energy-saving coated color metal, radiant barrier, a 1x4 purlin system, and all the appropriate trims and accessories. That same roof would increase the package price to $6,500, which is $98.07 per month. But now let's calculate the energy savings. If we look back at the energy savings data from the Metal Roofing Alliance, we know that our new comprehensive metal roofing package will save $42 per month in energy savings. If we take our monthly loan payment of $98 and subtract our energy savings of $42, our new monthly outlay is only $56. If you'll recall, the basic metal roof monthly cost was $60 per month. You are actually saving money on your monthly outlay by choosing a more comprehensive metal roofing package for your home. It's a win-win. You both save money and have a more energy-efficient roof for your home. And now your savings will continue long after your project loan is paid for. Through our TCM HomeownersEdge financing program, we can also offer you other loan programs like 12 months same as cash, longer terms on low-interest loans, and even traditional loans. How about including professional installation to your project? That is possible through independent, factory-trained contractors enrolled in our TCM HomeownersEdge financing program. Best of all, by using a color metal roof and all the appropriate trim and accessory components, your purchase will qualify your project for our Platinum 45 extended warranty. Get the roof you want, a new metal roof, a lifetime roof. The team at Tri-County Metals is ready to help you. Make your next roof your last.